This is Chiwala Samuel, student Aga Khan University, mastering in education, specializing in mathematics education. Today's lesson, we want to look at the 6 ways for the teacher to help the students understand mathematics lesson. Number 1, always create an effective class opener for the day's lesson. Use 5 minutes to share the agenda of the lesson, that is the lesson objectives, with your class. Put the signpost of the day's lesson. This helps the students to call out self-assessment at the end of the lesson. Warm up problems to review previous lesson or assessing the prior knowledge of the learners. Number 2, introduce the topic using multiple representations. Various types of representations should be used to address the different learning styles of the learners. The representations may include multiplication, showing pictures to the learners, drawing out the problems for the learners on the chalkboard, and offering symbolic representation on the chalkboard to help the learners to understand. This will enhance the conceptual learning understanding amongst your students. Number 3, solve the problem in many ways. Showing different ways of solving the problem, that is to say the example, and encouraging students to create their best method of solving the problem. More strategies and approaches induce deeper conceptual understanding. Students inventing their own best methods using correct steps is a very powerful learning experience for them. Number 4, show the application of the concept in the real world situations. Demonstrate how the concept is relevant to the real world. It helps to improve the students' understanding. If the concept does not fit in the real world, show how it is relevant in the mathematics subject or any other subject area. Number 5, how students communicate their reasoning. Solving needs to explain their reasonings when solving the problem. Promote excellent engagement and learning. Find ways of encouraging students who do not always talk in the class to be involved in the class discussion. Number 6, finish the lesson with a summary in roughly 7 minutes. Some learners may have got lost in the course of the lesson. Trace them and pick them at the end of the lesson. Reviewing or revisiting the lesson objects is very vital in the class with your learners. Powerful closer activities may include formative assessment, reviewing the competences, and previewing their homework to avoid confusion when they are alone. That marks the end of our lesson. Bye-bye.